Yeah, children. So once again, I'm telling good morning to you. Previous day, we have learned the relation between the coefficient of linear equation and the linear pair of equation. That is, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then we are going to get some intersecting lines, right? And if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, and further it is not equals to the third ratio, that is c1 by c2, then we get parallel lines which don't have any solution. And third one, if all the ratios are equal, that is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, then we get coincident lines. Coincident line means the line which are one above the other, right? And for that we have infinitely many solution. So if you have solution, then we call them as consistent. So it doesn't matter whether it is having one solution or many solution, they are consistent. And if you don't have any solution, for which pair of lines which you don't have any solution? For parallel lines, we don't have any solution. Such lines are called inconsistent pair of linear equation. So this is what we have learned on the previous day. Did Ramu join? Ramu, did you join? If you don't respond spontaneously, no, then it will be a problem, right? Okay, maybe he did not join or what. So now let me take to some questions which are depending on this thing, So here you can see some try this question. I have asked you to do this one and few people have done that, and great, they have sent me also. Now let me explain one or two questions of this, try this also. So you can pick any two questions. No. Why you will pick? I have to pick. So the first one, for what value of P, the following pair of equations has a unique solution? The given pairs are 2x plus py is equals to -5 and 3x plus 3y is equals to -6. Once again, let me read the question. For what value of P? Where is P? Here you can see P means P will become in future some value, means some number which is hidden and we have to find. Now, what type of lines they are? It is given that they have unique solution. So you can unmute and tell me when we will have a unique solution if the lines are intersecting. Thank you. Yeah. So when the lines are intersecting, then only we will get a unique solution. So that is the condition which is given to us. What was the condition? That they have a unique solution. Now, one important thing, in every year annual exam paper 1, we will get one question like this, like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 question like this as 1 mark, and if your Talarata is good, for 2 marks, right? So definitely we have to practice this question. Now Manpreet, this question is given in do this, try this. Like this type of question we don't have in exercise question. Yeah, one question will be there. The third type of question is there in exercise. But this type of question, find the value of P, find the value of K, this type of questions are not there in exercise. But still, in every year annual exam, these questions are coming. What does it mean? We have to prepare, do this also. We have to prepare, try this also. We have to prepare even optional exercise also. So optional exercise we will prepare when? While doing revision of every chapter after completion of the whole books. But wherever I feel that it is compulsory, I will discuss. Don't worry about that. So shall I start the discussion of this solution? Yeah. So let me take the code for you. What's the question given? The pair 2x plus py is equals to -5. So given, what did I select? Given pair, or I said no, given linear pair, it will be better. Given linear pair. P -3. Let me see, Sai Dikshit, whether what answer you said is correct or not. I need to. So given linear pair, see, I forgot what's the linear pair. I did not bring textbook also. Given linear pair is 2x plus py is equals to minus 5. 2x plus py is equals to minus 5. And write the next one here like this, keeping semicolon. Next one beside. Why? You will understand. 3x plus 3y is equals to minus 6. 3x plus 3y is equals to minus 6. Now, why we should write one beside the other? So that you can write the general form of linear pair. Sorry, one more thing is missing. Yeah, one more step. That is always the general form of linear pair. We will have RHS 0. So it's our duty to bring the minus 5 to the left hand side, and it will become plus 5, and it will be equals to 0. How, sir? You sit and understand. 3x plus 3y plus 6 is equals to 0. So, you know, I have again transformed it in this form. And now I will write a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Yeah, you see in the general form there is equals to 0. So 0 and 0 should match, no? That's why we should take the c1 to the left hand side again, right? Yeah. Next, yeah, Sai Dikshit, I said no. Let me, acha, again you change your mind. Have a listen, first listen. You stop doing now. See here, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. From this, we can easily write what is a1, what is b1, and what is c1. Don't forget to respect whom? Minus. a2 is 3, b2 is 3. Wow, c2 is also 6, not 3, sorry, 6, right? Yeah. Now I will be writing the condition which is given. So here I will be writing that condition, that is as given. What is given? As given the pair has, as given the pair has unique solution. This is given. They did not give directly that they are intersecting. As given the pair has unique solution, that implies they will be intersecting lines, or they are intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. And after that I will write therefore. Sir, answer now only? No. Here I am just supporting the statement. They are intersecting lines. Therefore, what I can write here? Therefore, A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. Now, you need to check whether the thing which we want is there here in A1, A2, B1, B2. Yes, it is there. So go ahead. Don't worry. Go ahead. Yes, sir. How to go ahead, sir? Just substitute, children. When you substitute A1, what is A1? It is 2. What is A2? It is 3. A1 is 2, A1 is 2, and A2 is 3. Then not equals to symbol is there. Please keep not equals to only. If it is equals to, it will be equals to. Now B1 is something which I want actually. And B2 is what? It is 3. So here 3 and 3 I will cancel. How, sir? Because both are denominator. No, I can cancel. Because if you bring this 3 here, it will become into 3, or take this 3 that side, it will become into 3, right? The thing is same. So finally what we are getting here, finally we are getting that P is not equals to 2, and that's your answer. Yes, P is not equals to 2 is your answer. That means in the place of P, you should not keep 2. Other than 2, whatever number you keep, right? Whatever number you keep, it will be intersecting lines. So other than 2, whatever you keep, they will become what? Intersecting lines. Now where is 3? Where is 7? Sadikshit, I did not get, no. So here I will be writing therefore the required value of P is all real numbers except 2. Now, how many of you understood? Show me thumbs up. Yeah, if you have shown thumbs up means, okay, I can feel happy that whatever I'm teaching, you're understanding. Now it's time to take a screenshot. Just a minute. Let me decrease the size. So this is, try this first question. Second bit first, try this. Which question? Try this first question. First solution. Show me done, Nana. Is it done? Everybody, screenshot done. Okay. Sai Chandra, I am not happy with you. Sai Chandra, your performance, I'm expecting more from you. So please try to improve by next exam. Show me thumbs up. Sai Chandra. Yeah, I'm expecting more from you. Okay. Yeah, I'm expecting from everybody more. Next, let me take to the next question. Second question. Yeah, second question. Find the value of k. So this time you should find k. Previously it was p. Now you should find k. For which the pair of equations 2x minus ky plus 3 is equals to 0, comma 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equals to 0 represent parallel lines. Wow. So sometimes they may tell that they represent parallel lines, or sometimes, like the first question, they may tell find the value of k for which the pair of equation 2x minus ky plus 3 is equals to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equals to 0 has no solution. So when it is given it has no solution, then still it is what? Parallel lines only. So who will not have the solution? Only the parallel lines will not have any sort of solution, right? So you need to understand. So sometimes you may be very lucky, like they may give directly that they are parallel lines, and sometimes they may give indirectly that they don't have any solution. Now when they don't have any solution, still they are parallel lines. Okay, right? I hope you got me. So let me write 2x minus ky plus 3. Please mute everybody. I'm getting disturbance. Gauri Priya.
Sir.
Mute cheskona. Mute. Yeah, thank you. Thank you and sorry for shouting, but I need to, because it hurts my ears. 2x minus ky plus 3 is equals to 0. Already I'm getting the answers. Good. Let me check. Given linear pair. X minus ky plus 3 is equals to 0. Plus 3 is equals to 0. Then a semicolon. Beside we should write not one below the other. 4x plus 6y minus 5. 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equals to 0. So already they are in standard form. What form, sir? Standard form means what, sir? Means equals to 0 is there in the RHS. That is called standard form. So directly you can write here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Why we are writing this? So that we can extract what is a1, what is b1, what is c1, what is a2, what is b2, and what is c2. So I have observed in my lifetime many students who write the general form. If there is minus, they also write here minus. No. General form never change. Am I clear? It doesn't matter whether it is minus here or plus here. General form will be plus only always. Yeah. So by this we can write here clearly what is A1. A1 is 2. What is B1? B1 is minus K. B1 is what? Minus K. Yeah, respect the minus. And C1. C1 is 3. Good. Now this side A2 is 4. B2 is 6. And C2 is minus 5. What you want? You want K. You want K. And what's the condition which is given? The condition which is given is that they are parallel. So here we will be writing as given as given that linear pair singular is parallel, not are parallel. Okay, if you want to write as given equations are parallel, equations plural, linear pair, it's a singular, right? Collective noun. So linear pair is, what did I say? Parallel. Here itself, right? Therefore, or you can write that implies. It's up to you. Let me write here that implies, that implies. So when the lines will be parallel, can you unmute and say what the condition will be when the lines are parallel?
No solution.
Yeah, no solution. I'm talking about the coefficient. Yeah, A1 by B1 is equals to, sorry, A1 by A2. Somebody said A1 by B1. I also wrote.
B1 by B2.
Just a minute. Thank you. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Okay. So here what we want, actually we want B, right? B1, we want B1. So you try to take something which we want. Only one ratio is enough, like this, right? Only this ratio is enough for your job. So you need not take not equals to C1 by C2. Now one more thing. For example, if something which you want is either C1 or C2, then you can take A1 by A2 is equals to C1 by C, sorry, not equals to C1 by C2. Sorry, I repeat. If K is not in B1, if K is in C1, for example, then you will consider what? You will consider that A1 by A2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Yeah, I hope you got me, right? So presently, this is the condition when the lines are parallel, but in that I'm just going to take A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 only. So here, let me write that again. Consider, we need to write, Nana, right? Consider A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. Now substitute, find and tell me what is B1. Make the subject as K. Until that I will have my Chaya. Some people are giving 6, third one 6. Will already munde find out చేసేస్తున్నారు. -3 పక్కా. బాగా వేడిగా ఉన్నది. Let it cool. So A1 by A2. What is A1 here? 2, no? So 2 by A2 is, what is A2? 4. 2 by 4 is equals to B1 is what? Minus K. By B2 is what? 6. A1 by A2, 2 by 4 is equals to minus K by 6. So, and the next step, you know, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So here we got 1 left. So we are getting 1 is equals to minus K by 3. Take this 3 this side. You will get 3 is equals to minus K. That is K is equals to minus 3. Yeah, those who have given K is equals to minus 3. Very good. Great job. Many people have given the answer K as minus 3. Sri Varshini, Chandana, Ramu, Sahiti, Yashita, right? Sai Dikshit. Sai Dikshit. Good this time. Right. Just a minute. Let me decrease the size so that you can take a screenshot. Yeah. Please take a screenshot and tell me done, sir. Okay. Yeah, thumbs up I got. Now, some people have solved the third one also. So I'm giving you the fourth question. Chalo, find the fourth question and tell me the answer. Unmute and tell me. Don't see. Acha, backside it will not be the answer. Sir, very difficult question you have asked.
Dependent.
Yeah, Manpreet Singh, they are dependent. Very good. I appreciate you. But I want the value of P. They are dependent. Somebody are texting me. 4K24. Sai Chandra, 4K24. Which one? I am asking the fourth one, Nana. Fourth solution. Sai Chandra, maybe 4K is 24 means bring that 4 this side. We want. Arini, mute just. Arini, please mute yourself. Wow. This time Ramu gave first. Vinay Raj gave second. They gave that the answer P is equals to 6. Let me check. Just a minute. Now, every time when I discuss your class, I get the T. So your class is lucky for me, I think. I gave long ago answer. Okay. Andargante mundu D Ashwita ichin answer. Even before then, Vinay Raj and Ramu, D Ashwita gave the answer. Now, before you ask, I am telling the T was good. Okay. Now let me. You have textbook means you have to help me out with the question. Who will help me? Who will help me? Gagan, are you there? Can you unmute? Gagan, do you have textbook?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
just tell me that question, right? Because every time I'm going to backside and again taking that. Let me increase the size. Just a minute. Yeah. So those who gave answer, now it's a turn to check your answer. This is the fourth solution. Yeah, just tell me the given pair, Nana. Gagan. Where is Gagan? On the sky. Okay, somebody can unmute and read out the question.
Sir.
Yeah, please read, Nana. PX. Thank you. I will write the question. Px plus 3y minus p minus 2 is equals to 0. It's better, no? Yes. 12x plus py minus p. 12x.
Sir. P minus 3.
P minus 3.
Where here?
Minus 3.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, okay. P minus 3. Yeah, that's why I say to help me out, but nobody will help. Where is that Gagan? He's there or he's gone? 12x plus py minus p is equals to 0.
So this
Py minus p is equals to. Then what happened, Gagan? Why you're not telling? Network issue.
sir.
Okay. Your voice is breaking. Please try to save the phone. Right? Don't see that much YouTube videos. Okay, Nana. Now I'm going to compare this because already these are in general form. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now try to understand. In the place of x, x is there. In the place of y, y is there. So other than x and y, what is there? That is called A1. Now coming to C1, total is C1. So I hope you got me. So presently I will be writing like this. A1 is P, Nana. B1 is 3. And C1 is minus P minus 3. If you don't put this minus, C1 is the complete constant. This is C1, right? Similarly, here A2 is 12, B2 is P, and C2 is minus P. Now, let me read the question. I did not read the question only. For what positive values of P, the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? Manpreet Singh, he said that when we will have lightly many solution if the lines are dependent or coincident. So what is the condition actually? The condition for coincident. So here, let me write as the linear pair, has infinitely many solution, has infinite solutions, they are coincident. That implies, so if they are coincident, what we can write? We can write that A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is again equals to C1 by C2. All the three are equal. See how we are using this? Yeah. Now substitution, first step. Before substitution, we should consider which one we will take. What we want P. So where P are there? P is there in A1, P is there in B2, P is there in C2, P is there in C1. So you can take any two. That means I will be taking A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. Some of you can take B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2 also, and you can try. Both will fetch you the same answer, need not worry. Right. So I am taking the first one. So now I can write that implies what is A1? What is A1? A1 is P. A1 is P. Oh, sorry. I should write consider A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. First we should write, then only you should go further. A1, what is A1? P by A2. A2 is what? 12, no, that one? Yeah. Is equals to B1. What is B1? 3 by B2 is what? P. Yes. So when you do cross multiplication, we get P into P is equals to 3 into 12. That is P square is equals to 36. So P is equals to square root of 36. So P can be plus or